What's up, YouTube guys? Boy Lampo here, and today we have an unboxing video, and I'm gonna unbox this 2017 MacBook Pro non-touch bar 256 gig model. So yeah, let's start. So I got this one from a Power Mac Center. It's been opened already to test the unit, so for the warranty and everything. So yeah, so it's not sealed anymore. We opened it in the store and did the setup there. So yeah. Anyways, let's start. Let's move this from its packaging box. So up here, you can see the main box itself. So here in the front, you can see the picture of the product side view. Then their MacBook Pro. Here's side Apple logo. Top MacBook Pro. An Apple logo. And then here the back, you can see the specs of this particular MacBook. So you can see 13.3 inch diagonal retina LED backlit display, 2.3 gigahertz dual core Intel i5 with turbo boost up to 3.6 gigahertz, 8 gig of 2133 megahertz of LPDDR3 SD RAM, 256 gig SSD, Intel Iris Plus Graphics 640, two Thunderbolt 3 ports, headphone jack. Yeah, I think you guys can read. So yeah. Anyways, just kidding. I was just being sarcastic. But yeah. Anyways, let's open it then. So yep, I'm gonna be using this laptop for college. And yes, I'm a college student. I'm actually used to Windows. I switched to Windows back in 2010. Now I'm switching back to Apple. So yep. Okay. The guy didn't. Okay. Put it the wrong way. Anyways. So here's the laptop itself. I was gonna opt for the cheapest one, but I don't think 128 gig is enough for me, and I find the touch bar model too expensive for what I'll use this for. So yes, I just opted for the 256 gig one. So yeah. Here's the laptop. Let's put this aside. Apple literature, via power cable, USB-C, USB-C I think, or Thunderbolt 3, whatever, and the 61 watt USB-C power adapter. So okay, that's about it. Okay, so let's take a look. The literature you get. So MacBook Pro. I think this is a quick start guide. I don't know what you call this. And Apple stickers. So yep, that's about it. This one side. This one side. So yeah, here's the laptop. Let's have a closer look. So I got the silver one because sadly they ran out of space gray, which is my which is the color that I want. But yeah, I guess I ran out of luck a while ago. Just kidding. Yeah, at least I was able to buy the laptop that I want. And silver is not that bad. So yeah. Anyways, so there you can see the Apple logo, all aluminum body, rubber feet. Here the side, right side, the headphone jack, 3.5 millimeter. The well, it's where you open the laptop. I don't know what you call it. Then here, the left side is your two Thunderbolt 3 ports. So yep, let's start it up. So this thing starts up automatically once you open the lid. So okay, let's have a closer look. So here's the keyboard, the new butterfly keyboard. See there, MacBook Pro. See, this is the non-touch bar model, so you have the traditional function keys, the power button, and you don't get the Touch ID. I actually want to have the Touch ID, but kind of don't see the need for the touch bar. So yeah, and I just hope they will release a version with 4 Thunderbolt 3 ports. So because I'm like thinking this might be insufficient, for future use. So yep, and here's the big trackpad, and yep, keyboard, speakers. I think, but I think this is just a design. I think the speakers are like blowing the sound. I mean, the sound output is like downwards, so I think the speakers is actually located somewhere. I don't know, here. I don't know, but yeah, that's based on my observation and based on what I read online. So yep, here's the 13-inch Retina display, the 720p FaceTime camera. So yeah, looks crisp, nice, bright. Looks HD. This Retina display. It's a big upgrade from my Asus laptop. So yeah, look at how thin the laptop is. Amazing. Good viewing angles as well for the screen. So yep, anyways, I bought this laptop because I'm gonna do mainly office work, office stuff in this thing. Maybe some light video editing, web surfing. Definitely not gaming, but I'll try to test some games here if the games that I have in my Steam library supports Mac OS. But yeah, vents. So yeah, that's the quick unboxing of this 27 13-inch non-touch bar 256 gig silver color MacBook Pro. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.